Hi everybody, I'm Rona Kaye, and this is a quick walkthrough of my new dance, I Just Might. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, intermediate level dance. There are 2 restarts that happen on wall 4 and wall 8, both facing 9 o'clock. Wall 12 also ends the dance after 16 counts. The restarts are also after 16. Read the step sheet for all detailed information. Let me face you for the intro. The intro is going to be your right, my left. After the band says 1, 2, 3, 4, you give me a 5, 6, 7, 8 into your right hip. Right and left and right and mambo. Mambo side, mambo, same thing on the left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, but you touch your toe here so you can start the dance to the right. All right, here's your dance, including the intro. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Touch your right toe. First 8 count. Side, behind, side, cross, side. Behind, side, cross, rock, recover. Cross side sailor with a quarter turn to the right. 1, 2. Sailor with a touch, ball touch, ball touch. That's low. Hip, hip, hip is up and down. After this, your third 8 count, wizard on the right. 1, 2, side left with a hold, reverse rocking chair. 5 and 6 and back touch, side touch. Your fourth 8 count, so that took you back to 12. Your fourth 8 count is going to take you to your wall over there. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, step, lock, step, ball, begin the dance. Let me count it for you real quick. And 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, hold 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, and begin. Have fun with it. If you have any questions, shoot me an email.